Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here, and today I'm going to start working on the 2006 Ibanez AGS 83B and a few things I want to do with this thing, and yeah, so let's get started with that. Hey everybody, what's going on? Back again, got the Ibanez sitting in front of me, and I want to do a few upgrades on it. Not so much as far as electronics go, but just some of the hardware. I've got a full set of these Godo locking tuners, which are pretty damn nice. And I'm going to fit these things on here. Now, from the way that the tuners are on here, they have a side tab on it, so I'm going to end up filling and sealing up a hole and then re-drilling a new hole if these fit. And if these don't fit, then I'll end up leaving what's on here, but I kind of like these better. And also I have a roller bridge. This is a Wilkinson's roller bridge, or I have a Scheller roller bridge. Now this roller bridge here, basically you can set your string spacing yourself. The saddles spin on a threaded rod, and you can basically set it up wherever you want to be perfectly over these pole pieces. But I would recommend measuring them to make sure that they're all even going across still, you know. But wait a minute, I'm forgetting something here. There's one thing that I know a lot of you guys are probably waiting for. The contest. God damn. Shit. The Valentine's Day giveaway. I almost forgot. All right, let me clean off this counter, get my iPad, and we will start with that. All right, everybody, here we go. I'm going to try to get the number as close as possible without going over. Kind of like the Price is Right thing. So I'm going to say good luck to everybody. I've got my number generator here, and I'm going to go ahead and set the parameters. Basically, the minimum, it will be a 1, and the maximum will be a 2000. Get rid of the keyboard and punch it. 391. All right, so I want to thank everybody for participating, and I'm sorry there can only be one winner. The winning number is a 391, and the number that is closest to it without going over is a 385, and that would be Rob F. I want to say thank you to everybody for playing, and sorry that there can only be one winner for this game, but I appreciate you guys really getting involved in it, and you know, it's been really fun, really cool. So Bob F, please send me a email. I will put my email in the description of this video. This way you can contact me of your location, and I will be shipping the Ibanez guitar out to you. Yeah, so pretty cool. That'll be the red and black Ibanez. So thanks a lot, guys, and back to the regular scheduled video.